We've got the Skittle pack.
Good morning!
So I'm back to another Cars and Coffee, aka Cars and Dog, guys. Already see some cool cars in the parking lot. There's dog spotted. Second dog. Another dog. That's a Cybertruck here.
It's smashed. I think that's what that's the reference to.
First time seeing a Cybertruck. Oh, the back window's busted? There's a six.
Anyway, what I saw.
Another dog.
I'm Snow, right? And I do it. You have to go with Snow. Sure, yeah, I'm done.
Very nice.
Now, I know.
Now, Sergeant Major Kellogg.
Let's see who made a car. 7? Urus, what is this? Performante? It's a regular Urus. And it's raining. Oh, it's the same RA from Origins.
But the rest are all closer.
We've got the Skittle pack. The STO, the McLaren, another Lambo, another 720. Another Lambo.
I'm really enjoying my
Oh, this is the newer one. Oh, got SVJ. Oh, the Porsche. So many cars today. Another dog. Got a purple Evo. What is this? GTST?
a little bit.
Porsche. Really nice color. A little white body kit.
Yeah.
that back right now.
Let's see the interior.
Tony, want to let you drive it? You just shut it. Thanks, my man. No worries.
It's a clean livery. And the rain is coming down, guys. I'm trying to keep the lens clean as much as I can. I heard a V12 startup. Let's go see what it is. Probably the Aventador. Another dog. Everyone's leaving now. It started raining. Them HREs. There it is. That's what I was looking for. I saw the tail light. Where's your bumper, sir? And it's really coming down. R32 from last time. Got all the VQs and VRs.
Alright, later, Eric.
Hey guys.
Oh, got the white R32. I mean, white R33. My bad.
I was gonna say kind of like W is like 1 series. It's like smallest. Like 5 is like
Got more car on this side. It is M3. It is pouring. Wish I'm gonna get sick again.
Yeah, he was coming home from like Toronto with his wife. So I was like talking about it. He said
Oh, got a C63. Somebody's camped over there. I hear brum 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 brum. Oh, it's a Corvette. Guys, I'm just gonna go over there, over there, so I can record all the cars leaving, so I don't get soaked. Oh look, a mini. It's a little mini wagon. This is cool. A telephone repair. Look at this cute buddy. Got a little umbrella on the top. Box body.
Oh my lord.
Ogni tanto copiamo il tuo.
All the bikers leaving now.
You know, we can just explore around the town here. But like, I tend to watch the stores at the mall or the and yeah, whatever, we can always come back and always come back.
The dog in the car.
Yeah, I think I mean, sorry, but it's been like 100,000 and like.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but he got a little Godzilla on the back, on the side. It's like a Hellcat for GTRs. Little Nissan truck. That's 663. This thing sounds supercharged. Oh wait, never mind, it's the Jeep. Oh, might be like Mitsubishi wheels.
I mean, they're not even allowed to.
Oh yeah, they're eliminated. Well, no, okay, no, because they say that because they don't want them all to get upset. Yeah, no, that was crazy.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, hey, sorry, you see it.
Oh, there it is.
It was called like 3 people that I knew he was one of them. So, I'm not surprised.
Oh no, open hood in the rain. Alright guys, I think this is the end of the Carson Coffee. Everybody's leaving. I'm gonna get some few videos of cars over there and then head back home. The cycle truck is still out in the rain.
There's water inside of my
Ferrari 328. Another ducko. Added another duck. At this point, it's only cars and dogs. Alright guys, this is it. End of the vlog. Pouring. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.